Tesla plans to ramp up Tesla semi-deliveries to PepsiCo. Tesla is gearing up to increase the delivery of its electric semi-trucks to PepsiCo, its main customer, as it prepares for volume production. The Tesla Semi program has faced significant delays, with production starting in late 2022 instead of the initially planned 2019. While initially limited to internal and PepsiCo use, the electric truck has been spotted with other customers, including Martin Brower, Sysco, Walmart, and Costco. Dan Priestley, head of the Tesla Semi program, addressed the challenges and advantages of electric heavy trucking, emphasizing Tesla's commitment to the industry. Despite recent changes in the charging team, Tesla remains committed to deploying Megachargers for trucking and investing in expanding the supercharger network. Tesla plans to deliver an additional 50 Tesla semi-trucks to PepsiCo ahead of the production ramp, with wider customer deliveries expected in 2026. Stay tuned for more updates on Tesla's efforts to revolutionize heavy-duty trucking with its electric Semi.